Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy Ethereum on Paybis wallet. So if you also want to buy Ethereum on Paybis wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Paybis wallet application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you open Paybis wallet application, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to buy the crypto. Here you can see two options, you spend and you receive. You can select the currency. Simply tap on the currency option that you can see right over here. Now here you can see USD is selected. All you have to do is tap on it. Now select the currency of your country. You can also select the payment method. You can see several payment methods over here. Simply tap on the payment method that you want to select. Now in order to buy the Ethereum, what you have to do is tap on the crypto that is selected in the you receive section. Right now BTC is selected. Simply tap on it. Now here you'll have to search for Ethereum. You can see the option for Ethereum over here. Simply tap on the option Ethereum. If you do not find this option, you can also search for it. Simply tap on the search bar and search for it. Now you'll be able to buy the Ethereum. Simply enter the amount that you want to spend. Tap right over here. Now enter the amount. You can see the receiving amount over here. You can also see the exchange rate. If you have any promo code, apply it over here. Now simply tap on the option buy Ethereum. Complete the transaction and your Ethereum will be bought. So that is how you buy Ethereum on Paybis wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.